Hello again. In this lesson we're going to be looking at solving a compound inequality involving or. So an or inequality will always feature the word or, and you're simply going to get two separate inequalities. So the good news is we just get to solve two equations for one problem. So we're going to go ahead and solve the inequality on the left here, and then we can come back and solve the inequality on the right. So the inequality on the left, we would do as we would do any two-step inequality. We would subtract 2 from both sides. We get 3t is less than -9. We divide both sides by 3, and we get t is less than -3. We do want to make sure we include the word or in our answer, and then we go ahead and solve the right inequality. So we would subtract 5 from both sides, leaving us with -4t is less than -4, and divide both sides by -4, making sure we reverse the direction of the inequality here so that we get t is greater than 1. So our final answer, with the word or in between there, is t is less than -3 or t is greater than 1, and we've got that graph shown down below in the number line there. Okay, let's go ahead and work one out together. Alright, so we have a compound inequality. We've got the word or in between, so we're going to go ahead and solve each inequality separately. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 7 from the left inequality on both sides, and I'm left with -2y is less than -6. I'll go ahead and divide both sides by -2. When I divide by a negative number, I'm going to flip the direction of the inequality, so it is y is greater than 3. Great. I'm going to go ahead and write the word or right here, just so I don't forget when I get to solve the next one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and subtract 3 from both sides on my other inequality. That's going to leave us with 4y is less than or equal to -8. Then we'll go ahead and divide both sides by 4, and we will be left with y is less than or equal to -2. So that is our final part of the algebraic answer, but then we do want to still go ahead and graph that on the number line. So I'm going to go ahead and put our numbers -2 and 3 on the number line. So it says that we are less than or equal to -2, so close circle, and if it's less than or equal to, it's going to be to the left, and it's greater than 3, so open circle on 3 and to the right. And so there is our representation of the solution on a number line.